Meaning of dwelling house.
Dwelling house.
Dwelling house.
Dwelling house.
Dwelling house. A dwelling house is a type of residential building designed for human habitation. It typically consists of one or more rooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom. These houses can be attached or detached from neighboring houses and are usually meant for single-family occupancy. They are built to provide shelter, privacy and security to the inhabitants. The term dwelling house is often used in legal documents as a way of referring to a house or apartment that is suitable for living in, according to established standards of safety and comfort.